Oh no! Your curly hair is acting up again. It is a frizzy mess, and it seems that no matter what you do, it wants to be wild and unruly. Fortunately, there are ways to tame your curls. This article will show you some quick and easy fixes, as well as give you advice on how you keep your hair looking nice. Tame that frizz with some smoothing hair milk or cream. Pour a small amount of smoothing hair milk or cream, also known as a leave-in conditioner, onto your palm and rub your palms together. Then, gently work the milk or cream into your hair, running your fingers between the strands. Try to focus on the ends and outer portion of your hair, where it is driest and less on the roots. When choosing smoothing hair milk or cream, look for something that does not contain sulfates and silicones.
Create a homemade leave-in conditioner by diluting some of your hair conditioners with water. Apply it to your hair to help tame the frizz and hydrate your curls. Gently work it into the strands, focusing more on the ends of the hair and less on the scalp. This won't get rid of the dryness forever, but it will help conceal it until the next time you wash your hair. Smooth your hair down with some natural Moroccan argan oil. It may be expensive, but it is incredibly good for your hair. Try to use pure argan oil, as opposed to products containing argan oil, especially if those same products contain harmful silicones and sulfates. It not only moisturizes your hair, but also nourishes it and helps it appear smoother. It is also great for kinky curly hair. Simply apply a pea-sized drop to your hair, working small sections at a time. Detangle wet hair using a comb or your fingers. Brushing dry curls can lead to breakage and even more frizz. When your hair is wet, run a wide-toothed comb or your fingers through your hair instead. Try to re-sculpt your curls by winding your locks around your finger and gently letting go. Style your hair to hide the frizz. Sometimes, curly hair is just plain stubborn and there is little you can do while out on the run. If you don't have time for a shower, and if your hair simply won't behave, pull it back into a ponytail, a braid, or some other hairstyle. The hairstyle won't make the frizz go away, but it can help hide and disguise it.
Thank you for watching our video. We hope you found it informative and helpful. We appreciate your support and would love to hear your feedback in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content in the future. Thanks again.